Hey guys, this is Giselle and I'm going to share with you a winter makeup look by Neutrogena. So I'm going to get started using their Healthy Skin Primer. So now that my skin is primed, I'm going to use the Neutrogena Healthy Skin Next up, I will be using Neutrogena's Eye Brightener. So next up, I'm going to use the Neutrogena Nourishing Long Wear Eyeshadow. So first, I'm going to take the first shade and set that all across my lid in a patting motion. Next, I'm going to use the third shade and set that all along the crease. And next, I'm going to set the fourth shade along the outer corners of my eyes for more definition. Take this third shade and apply it to the bottom lash line. And last, I'm going to apply this second shade onto the inner corner of my eyes. To finish up the eye look, I will be using Neutrogena's Healthy Lengths Mascara. Next, I'll do a light contour with Neutrogena's Healthy Skin Blends Bronzer, followed by their Healthy Skin Blush. And lastly, to finish off the look, I'll be using the Moisture Smooth Color Stick in Fresh Papaya. So this is the final look. What I love about this makeup look is that my skin looks fresh. It doesn't look dry and flaky, which is usually what happens during the winter time. And it's perfect for any, really any daytime look, or can even go into the evening. I also love that it covered up some redness while also keeping my skin looking natural, and also brightened up my dark eye circles, which definitely made me feel much more awake and ready for the new year.